Previous video we learned how to import a CAD file and how to extrude the 2D plan into a 3D plan. So in this video we will be learning how to group a object, how to explode a object and how to copy a object. Okay friends, because in previous video we have done a plan, but after completing the plan we have to draw our furnitures and place the furnitures. So for that we required how to group a object and how to copy the object into 2 or 3 objects. Okay friends, so now we are going to make a group. So you can see when we are selecting a object faces, it is selecting a single face only. Suppose if I want to move this object, I have to move in this form. Okay, or sometimes what happens when I directly go for move and select the end, it will work in a weird manner. So what I'll be doing is select the whole object and right click and here make a group. Okay, so this has become a group now. Next what we are going to do is next object, the same thing, we are going to group it. Right click and group it. Fine. So now you can see it has been grouped. Now again another one thing we are going to do is we are going to our top view and selecting the object and right click. Here I am saying not make a group, I am saying make a component. So I'll give as a rectangle. Okay, name. So this is my rectangle component. Okay friends, this is component, this is a group. Now what I'm going to do is select the both the object. Now I'll just delete this one, select the both the object. Okay, now hold control, select move tool. Okay, then from this end to next end just select. Now this is a group, this is a group, this is a component and this is a component. Now what we are going to do is double click on this and push it down. Okay, we can see the changes, right? First this height was equal to the same height of the cylinder, but now I have increased. Now we'll work with a group. Double click on this. Now I will again increase the height to the rectangle height and come out. When I double click and edit the group or component, what happens? The group will change, but the other group won't be changed. But in component, whichever the copy object is there, even the copy object will change and as well as the original object will be changed. So that is the difference between the group and component. Now where do you use this component or group? When you're creating any furniture. Suppose I'm going to draw furniture, so we'll go with the standard only. For that unit setup, decimal let it be. So now we'll you can even work in feet and inches. Unit, decimal, architect or engineering. So if you take architect, here you have to keep in half. Okay, so unit, take a line. So I'll give this as how much you wanna give, you can give it. So I'll be giving 1.5 by, here I'll be giving is 1.5, right? I have given. So here I'll be giving around 5, 1.2, 0.15, once again 0.15, 1 meter, 0.15 and 1 meter, right? Now this one I'll pull it to, riser height is 0.18. Now this one I'll not make a group, I'll make a component. and give the name as stairs. Okay, now copy control with the next edge. And how to go with the multiple copies. So here I have to go with the copy control one by one. I have to move. So like that I have to keep a 10 steps. So but instead of doing that, I'll also teach you how to go with the multiple count. So control move, then in your distance bar just give a multiplication of 10. So automatically it will take a 10 steps. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and 1 was earlier previously done step. Now double click on this. Now I wanna give a riser height as 0.15. So you can even make your steps in this format also. Okay friends, now just you can give a slab for the support. For that you can use your view styles. Erase and 0.15 you can give a slab. Again, since I don't want this to be used as a steps, so you can make it as a single group and exactly place in a center. So in this manner you can create your steps using your command, that is nothing but a group and component. Next I have a rectangle. And one circle. Now the rectangle and the circle, I'll make it as a group. Now I want to copy multiple. As I taught you in how to create a staircase, the same thing. Control move tool, move it one object, then how much multiple, that is multiply symbol of 5. You can see at what distance you gave, the same distance it is getting copied. Now the same thing, I will take one object and do the copy of that object. Now I'll be moving this object. I am giving a distance. Within the distance, if I want any object to be placed, then again move object, okay, the distance. Okay, now use a slash bar by, I need some 4 objects. So within the distance what I have mentioned, randomly it will equally divide and give you the placement of the numbers of the rectangle and the cylindrical bar. Thank you friends. If you like my channel and if you really interested in this video, please do like and subscribe my channel.